Chahek, I am 23 and I'm the owner of Chikooz Café, which is located on Chemin Vingt Pieds, Grand Baie. So the idea of Chikooz Café is to have a warm and cozy place where people, friends, families can just come, get together, enjoy their time, or even work from home. We offer brunch menus, but we also have coffee. We have many types of different drinks on the menu. We have classics like Punjabi samosa, which is, a very core part of the Indian cuisine. We have masala chai, but then also we offer burgers and pizzas. So it's a mix, really. So basically, I got tired of working 9 to 5, so I decided to start working 24/7 instead. No, but for real though, my dad had been living in Mauritius for a while, and I moved here around 6-7 years ago. So I did my university here, and then eventually I always knew I wanted to do something for myself. That was non-negotiable. And having my own cafe, it has always been a passion of mine. I love baking. I've been baking mug cakes since I was like 7 or 8. In fact, everything that you see in the cafe on display, it's made by me. You can rest assured that I will always use the finest ingredients. It's always something that is made with a lot of love and dedication. The fresh coulis is made by my mom. The furniture was selected by my dad. My brother also goes for deliveries sometimes. So it's a very, it's a family business. And we also have Welcome Inn, which we are situated inside. So Welcome Inn provides rooms for the day, for evening, for night pass. So you can actually come stay here with your family or friends, enjoy the terrace which we have. We have a poolside garden, eat at Chikooz Café. So it's very, you get everything once you're here. So if you know where there is Shell near Super U and you head straight towards Cap Malheureux, at some point you will reach a red light near Peribert. After the red light, you go straight and take the first right. You will see a board which says rooms available, and also another board for Chikooz Café. It is a track road and you have to turn right. It is 150 meters inside on the right. We do deliver within 5 kilometers for free for orders above 400 rupees. And if you want a delivery, let's say a big order, and you can order a few days before. But when I say big order, I mean like, let's say if you want to order 10 cheesecakes or something, then we can deliver. It will have some associated cost, but it is feasible. Also, another thing I want to mention is we do deliver our cakes in the sense that we hold pickup points in Port Louis and Eben on select dates. And then you can always pre-order. For example, for Mother's Day, we did boxes. So we delivered in Eben and in Port Louis. I make cakes which are eggless. Most of the cakes that I make, apart from the cheesecake and brownies, they're eggless. So all the cupcakes, the carrot cake, chocolate cake, these are eggless. So it's very suitable for vegetarians. And we also have vegan options. We have this Ruby Roots burger, which is made with chickpea and beetroot. So the patty itself is vegan, and it's very friendly, very inclusive. The idea rotates around being inclusive. So even our drinks menu, we have matcha, we have milkshakes, we have coffee. It's kind of like we have something for everyone. I would definitely recommend them to try the chai. That is something I try to ask everybody to try. That is, like if you try the chai, you will like the chai. And apart from that, let's say if a client is coming and they want something sweet, we do waffles and pancakes as well. So we have waffles on the menu, pancakes, we have a breakfast platter, we have a thali. So we are open every day from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. except on Tuesdays when we close. But if ever you guys would like to come and reserve in a group, you can always call us. So let's say if we're closing at 6:30 and you want to come at 8, just give us a call like around noon, 1 p.m. or a bit before, so we can do all the preparations and we will be happy to welcome you. So we do have a phone number. You can either call us or WhatsApp us on 5865 8884. So I would like to add that here at Welcome Inn and Chikooz, since it's a family business actually, it's two separate businesses, but we always like to work together, and we hold events, we do parties. You can have your birthdays, you can have high tea parties, farewell parties, staff parties. We also do weddings. I am very, very grateful for all those clients who always call us or drop by, and they come, they enjoy the meal, they talk to our staff so kindly. And I genuinely don't have words to express how happy I am when clients come in and they're happy to see us, and we feel equally as happy to see them. So it actually brings us joy when we see these comments, when we see you guys liking what we make, and I'm really, really looking forward to welcoming more and more of you. Bye bye, à très bientôt.